Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the whale strategy today, and we are going to touch upon some of the trading that I've been doing, some few things that I've been doing to my portfolio. We're going to talk about it. We are going to talk about Robinhood. This is going to be some of the trades that I make on my Robinhood app. Before we get into the video, I would like to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be a financial advisor. All I do on the channel is to share with you what I'm doing. Read the disclaimer below. So what we're going to do in today's video is we are going to look at my Robinhood. Okay, it's about time I update you guys on what's going on with the Robinhood, and nothing much is really going on. All I've been doing is just still doing the real strategy, and I basically added some few extra things here and there on my Robinhood app. So let's go through what we normally do. It's up as of right now that I'm recording. It's up $40, and for today it's up $52, and for the week here we are up $156, and for the month is up $1,700. I mean, this is a trailing number, so it's not every month is up $1,700. For the past 3 months, 15, and the past year is up $2,011. I've been stuck at this position for a while. As you guys see here, I was up here, and then it dropped, then I was up again, and it's kind of like going down. So we're working on the portfolio, we keep it pushing, and over time the goal is to grow this, of course. So I'll keep on sharing that with you guys as we go along. So here we are. This is the trade that I currently have open. Basically, we have AMC, we have Space, and we have Apple. With AMC is the whale strategy trade. That is the actual whale strategy trade. And with that, let me pop right into it. With that, I got a credit of $164 with AMC. So that's it right there at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep an eye on it, see how the trade goes. This trade is for next week. I usually put these trades in on Thursday or Friday and hold it over the weekend because of time decay. Okay, like time decay is a real thing. So I hold on to it, and hopefully it goes my way. Usually it does. So hopefully we'll see by next week Wednesday if I'm able to, out of this 116, if I'm able to secure like $120 of it or $140, then I'll sell it and look for another trade for the following week. So that is what I do with this particular one. And then the next one is Space. And with Space, basically what I'm just trying to do with Space is, let me share with you guys what my screen is looking like right now. So basically what I'm just trying to do with Space is I'm trying to basically bet with trade. I'm betting that it will probably with Space, I'm betting that it will probably go down a little bit more. So you guys see here, we've been pretty much on a downtrend for a bit. So the trend still looks like it's going to keep on continuing, because it's not a bullish sign that it's going to keep on going up. So that is why I have that particular trade on. That is why I have this Space trade. Okay, that is why I have the Space trade on. And it's 24 puts. So essentially what I'm saying is that I think Space will drop down to $24 by the end of the month. So it'll be around this area right here where my mouse is, around this area, which there's every likelihood that could happen. So like it will drop to 24, around just a tiny little bit more drop. If that happened by 1 month time, I'll be able to make a decent amount. I mean, the people that were able to trade this from this area, trade it all the way down here, that's a pretty good trade. Same here with this one. So I think most likely it's probably going to happen, drop down to below $23. So that is why I have that, so I can take advantage of that. So that is that. and that is the space 24 puts right there in the middle. Space 24 puts. So the next one that I have is Apple. Okay, Apple, they've been a news recently that's saying that they are going they've been ordered by a court to do certain things. I haven't looked into it more much, but I mean, even with all the things that I use, it's basically telling me that Apple is going to drop a bit. So I quickly jumped on a trade and see what's going to happen. If you look at the MACD here, we have a pretty nice crossover here on the MACD, and then RSI2 is looking like it's going down. So there's a likelihood that this trade might just follow through and go down some more. So that is why I have that trade there, and that is the Apple trade. That is the 145 puts. I'm betting that Apple will go down to $145, so which would be just slightly below this previous low. It will be just slightly below that. So we'll see if it does. I mean, everything is pointing that it will go down. MACD is pointing that it will go down some more. RSI is pointing that it will go down, and obviously the candles too is pointing that it will go down. Take a quick look. You know, all my moving averages are also pointing downwards. So, you know, we'll wait and see. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. Each candle is 4 hours. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this trades. You know, right now the AMC trade is the one that is looking juicy the most, and that is I made a credit of 164. So that is that. So I hope you like today's video. If you do, consider subscribing and liking the channel. What I'm trying to do on this channel is to share with you what I'm doing with my finances. I have a couple of things going on. Check out my previous video that I did. I'm going to leave it in the cards. Check it out. I talked about my whole entire stock portfolio, which is roughly getting close to $80,000. So hopefully by the end of this year, 2021, we can get that right over 100K this year. Lots of good things planned out for this channel this year. So subscribe if you like what you see. Appreciate you again for checking out today's video. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.
Louisa.